3, Andrea Cruz. Team short track. Put your hands together for number 6, Lenore. Also our overall highest vote for the public vote. Number 8, come towards the back here so we can make room for the next ladies. Just kind of teens on one side, miss on the other side. Just come move back a little bit because we're running out of space. All right. And now in the team division, please welcome number 9, Mary Emmy Banks. So the second runner-up in the team division is number 3, Andrea Cruz. There you have the finalists moving forward to nationals for Miss Teenage Canada and Pageant Group Canada's national competition that crowns 5 Canadian representatives. And now we are going to announce the 2 overall high point winners. For the team, our overall high scorer is number 13, Ben. The overall high point winner in the Miss division is number 5, Karyssa. Tonight's competition. A big round of applause for all the young ladies tonight. Ladies, I do need to speak to you after the show. So get your stuff and come out, but everyone come forward and take your pictures.